I don't know if this is recording or not. Whatever. If it does, cool, great, whatever. But okay, so the challenge I'm trying to go around um, is, well, I guess I should say I'm playing a game called SignWriter, um, wherein you can input an equation um, and it will be graphed. And the objective of this game is to get this little snowman dude to this ball thingy, which is objectively very simple. And the way you do that, well, um, if we just take out the time equate component of this, the graph will maintain steady, which is fine. It's a very boring game right now. But my personal challenge that I'm giving myself is I want to develop a graph, or to develop a system with the time component as time increments 1, 2, 3, 4. You can input that as a variable, and that will change the way the graph looks. For example, this is a graph where the time component is changing. It may not be very clear. I'm not doing a great job of explaining this, but anyway, you're joining in like halfway through my processes. I'm sorry. Yeah. So this is where I'm currently at. I'm almost there. I'm almost there to where I want to get to a point where I can get this cosine function to invert, go from a mountain to a valley, which I have, but then it breaks when this function approaches 0. Or actually, not when it approaches 0. It's fine when it's approaching 0, but when it hits 0, then it breaks. Because x divided by 0, anything divided by 0, just is irrational. It just doesn't exist, as you should know. Dang, I don't have a Control-C function. But, so now, I need to figure out a way to make it so that as time increments, which is right here, the square root of t, I currently have it so that time increments. Ooh, what if I just make it look as if it's an exponential? Make the 0 point like a million seconds away, because there's no shot I'm ever going to look at that a million seconds later. But we also have the factor, because we can adjust the scale of this square root function to where this initial slope is incredibly huge, subsequently making this 0 point incredibly far away. How do we do that? That's my question. Weird. Whatever. Okay, cool. That works. So x divided by 1. No. We need the square root function. That's what we need. Playing around with sqrt in parentheses of x. Pretty boring. But what we can do is adjust these components to make that initial slope incredibly huge. Wait a second, I had it. Nope. Control C. B. Okay, and now no. Why did it hit the 0? Why did it hit the 0 point earlier? Oh. The square root of 10 . Oh, it's basically 3. So the square root of 9 is 3. And 10 is just a little bit bigger than 3. So the square root of 10 is like 3 point something something something. Blah, blah. Which basically indicates that we're going to immediately hit our 0 point. Okay, so this operator impacts how quickly we accelerate initially. Okay. I think I'm happy with a 2. Oh yeah, that's really nice. But how do we move the 0 point? Wait a second. This is obvious. We move the 0 point by doing this. No. That is too much. Oh! So that'll take 25 seconds. This will take 16 seconds to get to 0. I think. the square root of 2d. Oh, God. Maybe I open up another line? Sign writer. The square root of x is equal to that. If we do plus 2 plus time. Minus. Oh, all I'm doing in that specific sequence is just I'm adjusting the height of the graph. Which isn't doing anything. What we want is to extend it. How do we extend it, you might ask? Good question. Let's multiply it. Nope. Let's divide it by something. There we go. Oh my god. Okay, now we have to divide this thing. By 1,000,000. Nope. Let's start out with 2. What does that do? What is happening here? What am I doing? I'm flattening the curve, which is counterproductive. Because while I am flattening the curve and extending the time it takes to get to such a number to our 0 point, I'm also eliminating the acceleration, which is counterproductive. I need a third variable. But I don't have a third variable. What if we make it so that we have an extremely huge acceleration not getting anywhere. I feel like this square root function's a dead end. I mean, I have it, but I don't have it. Ooh! What's that one function where it goes like... where it's like two square root functions, but it like has... is it a cubic root? Okay, so it is a cubic root. That doesn't help me. Natural log! How can this help me? Well, let's experiment. ln of x. I can't do logs? You don't have a log function? What are you talking? Oh, wait. Is that log x? What is happening? I got it. I don't even remember. Frickin' logs. Can I do a subscript? Nope. How do I do subscripts? V? No. How does this help me? What was I on about? Then I saw this. I still don't really understand natural logs. And height approaches 0. Oh, what does log do? I don't care what it does. It's just... let's fucking throw it in. I'm getting annoyed. Instead of a square root, what happens if we do log? This is perfect. This is actually perfect. What does a log do now? Why is this... Why does this work? Okay. Okay, we have it. Which I'm stoked about. But I don't understand why it works. This is weird. Okay. It's like alligator teeth chomping on. It loses its alligator teethiness, though. Oh, and it fell. Okay. I need food. I don't think this is going to change very much. I don't think it's going to change enough to where the point that this little hump right here is going to go horizontal enough to create enough force for this snowman dude to get over this hump. Or at least, I don't think we're going to be able to get there in a reasonable amount of time. But what I can do is I can leave this running for a little bit as I make food. So that's what I'm going to do. What's up, man? no shot this is 2 cups. Oh, two cups. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. That's a lot of lentils, though. Let's use this much and make top ramen with it. Curious. Have my lentils, top ramen. How are we getting along? We barely moved. That's to be expected with a logarithmic function. I'm going to spill this everywhere. Lentils cook at a different pace than top. So we soak these lentils cook. We need about 4 times as much liquid and have on the table. Good thing I eat a lot of bread. I had twisty happy. twisty side of console. And now it should be at least around the same second. I think this is how people with the lists talk. If they can't really put their tongue to the top of their mouth, because yeah, that's weird. Now I want to look into why lisps happen. I can talk like this, but I can't do a S. I can't do an S sound. This is completely blocking. This is dumb as fuck. That's what it is. Okay. I'm finding out that this is I'm lisping uncontrollably just because of the structure my tongue has to deal with within my mouth. Normally, my tongue would be able to go to the front of my mouth, but because I have chopsticks in it, it's completely blocking the front part of my mouth. Subsequently, my tongue can no longer manipulate the air flowing through my mouth in such a way to create the quintessential S sound. Oh, there it is. Oh, I just wanted. Where is your suffix? Five. Five, baby, man, would fall, very. F. Put your bottom lip to your teeth. F and V. Very fall. Thought. Oh, that's so cool. Bottom lip contact teeth is a F and V. Th and the breathe. Thought. Breathe. The and th. The and the. The. Breathe. Thought. What's the difference? Interlabiodental. Bilabial. Lips. I can't read it. Is there a better image? Nope. That's worse. Glottal. Happy. Huh. Okay. But because my tongue cannot reach the front of my mouth, I can't do those words. Top. I can do top, which is weird. Top, dad, sad. I can't do the S sound because It requires a sustained airflow at the front of my mouth. I can do the, the. Why can't I? Is it the? Soft. Breathe. Breathe the, the. Zebra. Butter. 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 That's just a Utah saying butter. 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 Bottle of water. Bottle of water. A bottle of water. Can you pass me that bottle of water? Bottle of water. I have a bottle of water. That's how I would say it. Bottle of water. Bottle. 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 I have a bottle of water. I do D sounds. The British meme is more exaggerated to the point where, like, when I say mountain, I don't even have a D sound. But with bottle, I say bottle. Bottle of water. And with water, I say with a D. Water. Water. But with British people, they just completely omit the T's. That's really cool. Actually, now that I think about it. So, Midwestern accents say bottle of water, which is with D's. It's, strictly speaking, it's bottle of water. Bottle of water. Pronunciating the T's. Utahns. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I'm thinking about this too much. Utahns say the D. Bottle of water. That's what I would say. British people would say bottle of water. Water. Bottle of water. Where you completely omit the T's. Okay, different tangent. Butter. Nope. Nope. Alright? Nope. 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 Or light. 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 A light. A light. A light. Nope. 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 It's not strictly. It's not. I don't like this graph. Now that I think about it. Like, this is where we would normally say nope. Nope. I think N and L are more post-avular. Avular. Reg. Shook. 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 Can people with list say should? Should. Should. Shh. 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 Should. Asia. Yes, cat, go, sing. Happy, uh-oh. Okay. Alright, I gotta check on my level. My level. pretzels would pair really well with miso. Because miso brings the flavor. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Experiment over.